The 2025 Toyota RAV4 has the performance and flexibility to help you break away from the routine. Featuring chiseled looks that hint at its sporty performance and versatility, RAV4 enhances the drive with refined yet agile handling. For 2025, RAV4 hits the road backed by convenience features that invite you to take the long way home. From a night on the town to spontaneous getaways to epic destinations, RAV4 can help create incredible memories. RAV4 offers many active safety and driver assistance features. Every grade includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Additionally, the available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert is designed to help warn drivers of vehicles in the lanes next to them, while the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor are designed to help drivers maneuver around tight spaces.